Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Reddit token. Ticker symbol's Reddit, name of the token is Reddit. This token has been in the top gainer section all day on CoinMarketCap. Earlier I was looking at it, it was up 38%. Then I was just looking at it, still up 58% like 12 hours later. So we're going to go over the information on the Reddit token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, this is a somewhat popular token here. They have a decent amount of holders so far. According to their Etherscan, this is an Ethereum token. They have 1,633 holders, 18,294 transfers, 9 decimal places, and a max total supply of 100 million Reddit tokens. Now their Twitter, 100,200 followers. So well over 100,000 followers on their Twitter. They're doing very well. You can find it at Reddit ERC. Now that's kind of crazy to me when a token has over 100,000 followers on their Twitter, but only 1,600 holders. Is kind of strange, but I mean, token's doing very well today. What can I say? I mean, Reddit, the Reddit token, it says the world's largest online community where it all started. And then they have a Telegram as well, at Reddit ERC. Now, their Twitter just joined in May 2023. They already have over 100,000 Twitter followers. So they have a new Benzinga article, a new Yahoo Finance article. They're talking about global PR on here. So yeah, there's some new news articles listed on their pinned tweet there. They have a Reddit report here, a Google Docs. It says you want to see what we have in store, read the Reddit articles. So lots of cool stuff here. Trending number 2 on crypto.com. That's a recent tweet. Back to 1.5 million market cap. Wait for the boom, it says. So yeah, they're doing very well according to their socials here. They got some Twitter spaces going on where they talk to the community. You can read all about that. Now, if you go over to their official webpage, I was just on there earlier. There's not a ton of information on the webpage there. It's kind of blank. It does have a lot of information elsewhere though. So it says 0% tax, liquidity burned. So since this is an Ethereum token, if you did want to get this token, all you would have to do is fund your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet with Ethereum, go into the dApps, find Uniswap, and then you would trade your Ethereum for the Reddit token using the contract address that you could find on CoinMarketCap, or you can find it on their Etherscan, which is also listed on CoinMarketCap. You can find it all over. I'm sure you can find it on their webpage all over the place. Just make sure you have the right contract address. And you might have to, actually you probably will not have to change slippage that high because it says 0% tax, maybe 0.5% at the most if it's, there's a lot of network congestion and stuff like that, but I can't see you having to set slippage very high. Now, they're also listed on a central exchange. So they got recently listed on LBANK. Now, if you wanted to get this token off of LBANK, all you would have to do is download LBANK from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store, or download it on your PC. Go into LBANK there, open an account, fund your account with USDT, then go into the trade section and then search Reddit, which is the ticker symbol for this token, and then simply just buy the token. So there's a couple of different ways you can get it. Uniswap, LBANK. It could be listed on other exchanges, but that's all it says on CoinMarketCap there. Lots of bullish comments on here. Their trading, 24-hour trading volume right now is $1.6 million. So they're doing very well today. Now, it says, introducing Reddit, a dynamic and vibrant cryptocurrency developed to celebrate the power of creativity, art, and meme culture. As the creators of this unique token, our mission is to bridge the digital and artistic worlds while fostering a strong community of enthusiasts. The history of our project began in early 2023 with a group of dedicated developers and meme enthusiasts who came together with a shared vision to celebrate and elevate the world of memes and digital art through the creation of a unique cryptocurrency. Now, I could almost guarantee, I mean, I don't know 100%, that this token is absolutely not affiliated with like the owners of Reddit. I mean, you could have guessed that yourself. A lot of these meme coins are not affiliated with what they're actually talking about. And, not a lot of utility. Like I said, if you go to their webpage, all it says is Reddit, a community token representing the Chads of Reddit. Then it has a link to buy on Uniswap, so it'll take you right there. A link to their Telegram, Twitter, contract address. And then at the bottom of the page, it says contact for marketing and central exchange proposals. And then you can give your Telegram handle or Twitter handle, email, and message. And they also have, a giant disclaimer, of course, at the bottom of their webpage there. So maybe you might want to read that before investing as well. But yeah, there is, little to no information on their webpage. Now they do have some info in their news articles. So if you go to like their Yahoo News article, Yahoo Finance, it says enter Reddit, the latest meme coin that has gained immense popularity among Redditors and the wider crypto community with its roots firmly planted in the Reddit culture and backed by a massive user base. Reddit aims to revolutionize the meme coin space. Let's dive into what makes this token so unique in the crypto sphere. So it talks about Reddit's influence and organic support. More than 50 million users daily on Reddit. I mean, they're not affiliated though, but just based off the name, they could get a following from that. Now they're trying to pass SHIB and Doge, it says in this news article. The news article though doesn't have a lot of stuff about it because really it's a meme coin with no utility. So it just boasts about how well the token is doing, how potentially it could do very well. But again, it just embodies the spirit of internet culture. Reddit, it's for the Chads, it's for the memes. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section. What do you guys think about the Reddit token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. Get yourself some free crypto. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.